Hello everybody, this is Gaming Legend of 2012 again, and my last video I told you I was going to come back in and show you how to configure some essentials stuff. We're just going to get ahead to that, and we're going to try to make this video short, sweet, and hope you guys understand this at the end of the video. Okay, you want to open your server, go to your plugins, and I still have the plugins from the last server, haven't did anything to it. You want to open your essentials folder from all your essentials. Users data. This is what they have used in your server, like your homes, last login, last teleport, blah blah blah, last logout. So some, like, say your house got griefed and they want to know where their house was or something. They want to go back to their last teleport or the where they logged out at, and then it shows their IP address. Yeah. And then the warps. When you make a warp, it will come in this folder, and if you want to delete it or you want to change the location, all you do is double click it, and then it'll show you the the waypoints of it, and then you can just change them wherever you think. And then, like, when you go in there on your game, hit F3, and then it'll show you the X, Y's, and Z, and then you just replace them where you want to, or you can just set another warp. I mean, I would rather just set another warp because it's gonna take a lot of work just changing a warp inside the folder. So I would just delete the warp and do another one, somewhere else. Sorry. All right, config. Ops name color. In my last video, when I said I was op and I had my color red, well, that's 4, and I sent the color coding for my last video for all the colors, and N4 was the red one. To get rid of that, so you can have like undercover OPs, just put none. And I think some people had problems with this, like they always wanted to get rid of their nicknames where they hit the little dashes because it was really annoying. All you would have to do is delete that, and then when you make your nickname, it seems like it's real. Then when you do the tab, it shows that it's like that. So, like, say you made like your wrong name on your Minecraft account, you can just change that and change it whatever you want and say that's your real name. Plain and simple. You don't want to mess with this. This is just for like automatically changes their display name, and you don't want that. Teleport cooldown is like, it takes 5 seconds before you can actually use this command. Like TPA, it takes about, if I change this to 5, then it will take 5 seconds to teleport to somebody. Like when you do /TPA, that's how you teleport to people. It will say you can't use this command until 5 seconds. So you, like, say like people complain about people spamming them in TPAs, all you have to do is put like a certain limit on here. So I'm just gonna put that to 2, so they have to wait 2 seconds, and then to move. This right here is when they accept it, they can't move for a certain amount of time. So I'm gonna be changing this to about 3 seconds. The delay in seconds a player can't be attacked by other players after they have been teleported by a command. This is for like PvP loggers and people that don't want to die. Like, say someone's getting hit and they leave and come back, they have 4 seconds before they can actually get hurt again. So I would probably keep that like 2 or 1. The delay in seconds required between heal attempts. They heal every heart, or their whole thing heals up in 60 seconds. And then also if they do /heal, they can do it every 60 seconds. So like they don't spam it. You don't need to worry about this unless you like give them the command for /I and you don't want them to give them certain thing like nether portals that makes it really laggy. You can just put 119, disable it. You don't have to worry about any of this. Disable commands like op, you can put that there. The player commands that like, since this is essentials, these are basically giving you the permissions. Just you have to add the essentials dot and then put essentials dot spawn and then suicide time TPA accept whatever. These are the kits. These are the ones I wanted to show you in the last video, just didn't have enough time. So I'm just gonna make a kit really fast for you guys. It's really plain and simple. To make sure you don't have no errors, you want to copy and paste this like that, and then you just want to change the name like YouTube. They can do it every 1 minute, and this goes by seconds. So like you want to have it for 10 minutes, you put this to, we'll tell you right now, 60 times 10, which would probably be 600. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So you would put this to 600, and they can do it every 10 minutes. And then to do the items, you can open up this, and then you can just go to Minecraft ID list, and just look at the things they want. Like say, I'm gonna give you some beacons. You put 138, and then right after this, it will show you how many you want. So let's just put, let's put 64. And then for the next item, let's put let's do 119, and then let's do 1. That's an end portal. And okay. We'll get some diamonds. 264, and let's do 100. Let's do 128. So that would give you 2 stacks of diamonds. For this, let's put some mob spawners. Let's get like a stack of 64. It's pretty plain and simple. I mean, it's easy to make a kit for like donators, like kit god. They can get god armor. All you would have to do is put I believe, I'm not sure, I might get this wrong, but I'm not sure. So let's do like 310. Let's give him a really good helmet. So let's say give him 1, and then we'll give him protection 5, and no durability. Like durability is like how much damage is done to it. It would just keep it like that. And then you can also just add an item, give you like this, and then 3 1, and then protection 5. So I can get this over with. I'm just gonna copy this, and then we're gonna do this. Oh crap. 3 1 2 1, and then space. And then we're gonna do 3 1 3 1 space, boom. Plain and simple. To enable these signs, these are to make colored signs. This is to make a balance sign, so they don't have to do the command, they can just right click it. But to be able to let him use the sign, you have to give him a certain coding, which is essentials.signs.use.balance. Same with all these. Is like, it's self-explanatory. I mean, they can spawn a mob by right-clicking the sign, change their game mode. You can also put the prices for these. I think it comes pretty handy when you try to make like a really cool server, like make it fancy, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Auto OK, when you leave that to default. Kick, keep that to -1 so they never get kicked, unless you want them to get kicked every 5 minutes. That's up to you guys. Let's put that, yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like that. I was just gonna say whatever. Oversized stacks, you don't want to keep that as default, trust me. That doesn't really matter. I don't think people use mail these days. They just talk. These set time limit, and for players to accept TPA request is canceled. So if this is 0, the TPA will stay forever. If you put this to 1, it will disable in 1 second. Starting balance, let's just put sorry guys, my internet went out really fast, but I got it all back and it saved the video automatically. Let's see where we left off. I put the starting balance to anything, and then I changed my max money to anything. I kind of did this over when I forgot to record, so I'm just gonna keep it how it is and show you like what I did. Okay. The essentials chat. This is how it was until I changed it. It was like this. I think it's pretty ugly, but if you guys want to keep it like that, but you can change it to any symbol. I just like it like this. It's more neater and it's out of the way. I honestly don't know why they added that. And also for here, they I only messed with one thing here. It was the fire spread and the lava spread. These are only for the non-griefing servers. If you want to have a real hardcore griefing server, I would put these to false and keep everything false. That'd be fine. The only thing I changed from this for animals or creepers or mobs to spawn is silverfish. Those just piss the people off. Trust me, I had a server and nobody liked it. Trust me, because of silverfish. I'm just telling the truth. I would just keep that to true so they never spawn and then never inside a block. And I didn't change anything from the down part. Actually, I did one, but we'll save that for later. PvP. If you want to have like a non-griefing server, you would put this to false and put all this right here to true again. And what I was saying, I was going to tell you later, but I'm just going to tell you now. I changed this. This was D, and this right here was nothing. D is the light pink, as you can like from my other video. I had my last video actually that had the color coding, and B is just a cyan color. And I was just gonna show you guys different colors for like this is only for like welcome to the YouTube test server. Isn't that perfect? Just gonna capitalize that. Okay. And I also changed the kit to YouTube. Like I changed the kit all the way up here, right here. But alright. Since we're done with this, we're just gonna go back to Minecraft. After we run this, we're gonna get them. Yeah. Okay. Now it should be running and good to go. I'm just gonna pause the video until we get back. See you there. Okay, Minecraft loaded, went to go get some drink. I'm feeling better, and let's log in and look at these essentials that we did. Remember from the last video, I de-out myself, and I talked in this gray color. You gotta let this load because remember it's on 1 gig of RAM. My other server is on 6, so I will put that IP pretty soon since it's still in the process. I did my last video about 2 hours ago, and I said I was gonna go back and do the essentials, which I did just now. And yeah, okay. Let's see. We did the help, and then we looked at all those. And now, if we op myself, like that, I won't talk in red like I did the last time. And then if I change my nick, like to oh my god 2012. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. I changed my thing to that, and then if I looked in the tab, it comes out the thing because I'm op, and I will see the normal names. But and then now you can see I don't have the less than or greater than symbol at the end, so it looks a lot neater. Also, I also changed the kit, and I put kit YouTube, so look, now it's in there. And then how I put the 64 beacons and then 128 diamond, whatever. Yeah. I will be doing another YouTube video tomorrow. Just I'm a little tired right now. As you can see, it's like 6 o'clock. You just want to sit down, watch the TV, and fall asleep. Wake up early and do some more YouTube videos. Maybe might do one more tonight. Just I don't know what to do it on. I'll just think. And then yeah. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.